Here we go. This is an interesting one. So there's supposed to be like a little clip that holds this plate in, but obviously that's come off at some point. When it came off, I don't know. I can't see it inside. Look at all the pitting around here. So it's obviously come off, whizzed round and round, and back before I used this for autocross racing, I had all these holes in here to try and keep it cool. But when I autocrossed it, I put duct tape in it, so it's, you can kind of see some sort of scratching type stuff going on here. So I think it's quite possible, before I put this in, so when I was auto testing this engine, it must have come off, gone round and round, and then flew out one of these holes. Here we go. So this is my Lyton flywheel. It's been brilliant for auto testing. Not really sure if it's going to be suitable for rallying, but we'll find out. So my issue now is, am I able to remove it? Because sometimes these can be a bugger. Right, I don't have to start work till 12 today, so I've got lots to do. One of the first jobs, see if I can get this engine off the gearbox. There we go, boys and girls. Engine is off. I'll tell you what, I'm glad it's not called health and safety at home, because whoa, my manual handling technique for sticking it on the stand was not pretty. But I'm a bit closer to the strip down. Okay, so I've cleaned the block and that's ready to send off to my engine builder. As we already know, these pistons are toast, so we need to get new ones. The camera was running 285. There we go, one freshly rebored engine, now plus 60. What does R stand for? Tell you what it stands for now. Rally engine.